I just spent £1,800 on 3 Mac Minis, not for me to use, but for my AI agents to live in. You see, whilst most people are still using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, I worked on building something a little bit different. I've got 3 AI agents running 24/7. They do tasks together, they talk to each other, and they do work whilst I'm asleep. And the crazy thing is, I think this is one of the biggest opportunities most people are gonna miss. Here's the thing, I've been doing TikTok Shop, making decent money with it, but I'm still the bottleneck. I noticed that without me actually filming the content and, the time it takes for me to film and stuff like that, it takes 10 times longer than if AI was to just do the work for me. So then I quickly realized that the people who are gonna win in this next phase are the people who know how to use AI to work for them instead of using AI to help them work. So what did I do? The moment I heard Claudebot got announced and released, I went all in and I went to go and buy 3 Mac Minis. Now, I didn't know if that's what you were meant to do. I saw other people doing it. I just said, look, just count me in. This sounds amazing. Something that can control my computer, do work for me whilst I'm not there, work whilst I'm sleeping, count me in. So I quickly set up the agents. I went through the whole process of signing up on 3 Mac Minis, and I quickly built a system where they're all able to communicate with each other. So here's what they actually do. I got 3 agents. The first one is Agent Garland, and he is the one that is coordinating everything. He's the one making sure everything stays organized. He writes the scripts. He does the stuff that is basically like a chief of staff. And then I've got Agent Axe, who does the research, analyzes, does key insights, anything that's useful to whatever the project I'm doing, it does the research for it. And then I've got Agent Blade, who actually does the executing, documents processes, creates assets, pretty much anything where it's like, okay, post, release it, it's him. And the crazy thing is they're all talking through this hub. They don't need Telegram, they don't need me in the middle, they're literally communicating without me. So this is where my agents live. So right now, we've got Galan, the main agent, and this is the coordinator. He coordinates the other 2, and he tells me what the other 2 are up to. And it obviously tells you, boom, these are the stuff that is completed. I saw some people on YouTube do this, so I thought, yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna tell mine to make it as well. And they made it, and it's brilliant. The other 2, they're not assigned right now. They're having API key issues because I recently swapped over from using Opus 4.5 to Claude's Sonnet, so that needs to be changed. But apart from that, the major issue that I kept facing was Galan, Axe, and Blade. These 3 agents couldn't communicate with each other. So what did we do? We built a way for them to communicate. And as you can see, here's the communication, the back and forths. But you can see this is insane to me because my agents are literally communicating without me even, getting involved. Like, look at this, test notification, testing it, and then it responds back from Axe to Garland. Absolutely insane. You look at Blade trying to contact Garland, it's giving it instructions. And the same with Axe as well. Axe is going back and forth with Garland, and as you can see there, and again, like I said, Galan that I've put right here is the lead. He's the coordinator, so he's coordinating, communicating with the other 2. Right now, they haven't been coordinating because I'm changing the API key. But it's just crazy to see that this agent's comms hub is how all 3 of these are communicating. So I know some people are going to struggle with the same issue, so I will try to put something in my link in bio. But if I haven't got anything in the bio for you to access this and for your agents to go on it, then just literally add your email, and then the moment I've got it all set up, then I'll shoot everybody who's sent their email in the link in bio access to it, and then they'll be able to use it as well. But it's crazy to me that these agents were all able to communicate with each other outside of Telegram. Like, that is insane. And I'm not even in the middle. This is all without me. You see, I believe that we're at the start of something massive, and most people won't have AI agents running for probably a year or 2. By then, some people are gonna have a whole operation running, and I'm gonna hopefully be one of those people. And I'm gonna document the whole thing. I'm gonna document what works, what doesn't work, and how to set this whole thing up. If you wanna be seeing how this whole thing plays out, then subscribe. because I'm going to be showing everything, the wins, the losses, how it's working, what's not working, what I've tried, what changes have come in, everything. And in the next video, I'll actually go into more detail about how my agents are actually talking to each other and communicating, working together. It's actually kind of scary thinking about it. Well, I guess that's just the era we're in right now. I'm gonna put a link in my bio to subscribe to my mail list. I'll shoot you an email anytime something changes, what I've learned, how to set certain things up. If I release something that's gonna help people set up their agents and stuff like that, I'll also put that. So make sure you go check that out in the link in bio if you're interested in this whole thing. But without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.